Good morning, everybody. I hope you had a good Easter. I hope you found lots of Easter eggs. Anyway, today we have a new story, and this is called What's the Difference? What do you see here? When I first open the book, I see a table of contents. Tell your parents what it means usually if there's a table of contents in a book. What does that mean? Do you remember? What's the difference? Butterfly or moth? Butterfly. Butterflies fly by day. Their feelers have knobs. They rest with their wings closed. It shows their wings are closed. They have feelers. There's their tongue. That's a butterfly. A moth. Moths fly at night. Their feelers are feathery. They rest with their wings open. Do you see this one's wings are open? And the butterfly wings are closed when they rest. What's the same? They can both curl up their tongue, they both drink nectar from flowers, and they are both insects. Can you curl up your tongue? Are you an insect? Frog. Frog or toad, what's the difference? Most frogs have wet skin. It is smooth. They have long back legs. Here's the frog, and there's his tongue. Toad. Most toads have dry skin. It is bumpy. They have short back legs. So see, the frog has long back legs. See those big long legs? And the toad has short legs. Then it says, what's the same? They both have a long, sticky tongue for catching food, and they are both amphibians. Do you know what an amphibian is? It's a cold-blooded animal that lives in water when it is young and on land when it is an adult. Are you an amphibian? What do you think? What's the difference? Crocodile or alligator? Crocodile. Crocodiles have a narrow, pointed snout. Their upper and lower teeth stick out of their jaws. Crocodiles are a light tan color. And here's a picture of the crocodile. There's his teeth. Do you see them? And there's his snout. Alligators have a short, wide snout. Their bottom teeth fit into holes in their upper jaw. Alligators are grayish-black in color. So see, here's the alligator, and you don't see his teeth whenever his jaws are together because his teeth are up inside those holes. You can just see him a little bit where his teeth are open. His mouth is open. See, there's the crocodile. You can see his teeth sticking out. What's the same? They both have eyes on top of their head, and they are both reptiles. And a reptile is a cold-blooded animal with scaly skin, like a snake or a turtle or a lizard or an alligator or a crocodile. What's the difference? Cheetah or leopard? Cheetah. Cheetahs have black lines from their eyes called tear lines. They come down right here. They have solid black spots on their coat. They hunt by day, and they can run fast. Here's the tear lines. Do you see them? And then here's what the cheetah's coat looks like, a bunch of black spots. And there's a cheetah chasing an antelope, it looks like. Leopards do not have tear lines. Leopards have black rings on their coat, and they hunt by night. They are good climbers. So there's the leopard. See, it doesn't have the tear lines there like the cheetah. It looks like a black tear came down, but the leopard doesn't have that. And do you remember it says they hunt at night? Do you remember what an animal that hunts at night is called? It's called nocturnal. What's the same? They both hunt and eat other animals. They are predators. They are both big cats. Remember, a predator is an animal that hunts and eats other animals. What's the difference? Monkey or ape? Monkeys are tree lovers. They run along branches on all fours. Some monkeys swing by their long tail. And there's a picture of the monkeys. Ape. In trees, apes swing from branches by their strong arms. Apes do not have a tail at all. So see this one, it says they swing by their long tail. There's its tail curled up on the branch right there. And it's a monkey swinging from its tail. And then the ape does not have a tail. Both animals live in groups. They are called primates. And a primate is a group of animals that's like monkeys, apes, lemurs. What's the difference? Bee or wasp? Have you ever been stung by a bee or a wasp? Do you know which one it was? Bee. Bees have a short, wide body. Bees can sting only once, then they die. And bees make honey. So, do you think a bee wants to sting you? Because if it stings you, it's going to die. So they really don't want to sting you. They're only going to sting you if you're really bothering them. Wasp. Wasps have a long, thin body. They can sting many times, and wasps do not make honey. So here's a wasp, and there's the bee. What's the same? Bees and wasps build nests. They live in large groups, and they are both insects. Don't be fooled. A spider may look like an insect, but look closer. Insect. Insects have 6 legs. Their body has 3 parts. Insects have feelers. They also have wings. And this is a picture right here, if you can see it. Here's the head of the insect. Here's the feelers. This is the thorax. And this is the wing case. Oh, and this is the abdomen right here. Right there, actually. Spider. Spiders have 8 legs. Their body has only 2 parts. Spiders do not have feelers or wings. So here's a spider, and it has an abdomen and its head. And let's count the legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It has 8 legs, and the insect has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And what's the same? Their young hatch from eggs. That means they don't have live babies, they just have eggs. So, see, there's the beetle eggs right there. So that's what's the same and what's the difference. So now you know what's the difference. So if somebody asks you if it's a frog or a toad, can you tell which one it is? Remember, the frog is kind of slimy and the toad is dry and bumpy. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed your book. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.